welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I've been gone for I don't remember, I think October. Yeah, as you can tell, new hair. I don't like it. So I think I'm gonna just go all dark. But yeah, okay, so this is like a simple look for New Year's, because I was gonna do one for Christmas, but that did not happen. I did not have the time. I could have made the time, yeah, maybe, but I didn't. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with an oil that I got from Boxycharm, and because I'm feeling my skin pretty dry, and it's this one, the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Yeah, I don't know how much to use. Como las de Instagram, toda bougie. I'm not bougie. One day I like my nails. I love my nails. Les enseño esta because la otra está fea. And yes, I'm sorry guys, I've been lying to y'all for the longest. I know. I kept saying that I'm gonna be consistent. It doesn't happen, I know. But it's just life, guys. It's just life. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. And I'll be using this Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. There you go. The shade medium brown. Yeah. And I have been going more natural on my eyebrows. Should have done my eyebrows first. If y'all have not tried this pencil, I truly recommend it. I love it. Like at the beginning, I thought it was waxy, but if you use a light tan, it won't crumble up. And I have something on mine, like very simple, but I don't know if it's gonna come out like I want it to come out. So si no me salió, I'm not gonna post this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my eyebrows because they need some serious cleaning. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set the base for my eyeshadow, which it's going to be the Infallible Full Wear, the shade Amber 385, and I also use Maybelline to cover my eyebrows to fit me concealer, and the shade Honey. gonna go ahead and use something else from the Boxycharm that I got, the Storytales. I got Robin Hood. So the first shade I'm gonna go ahead and use is going to be this quiver. I think that's like the little mustard color. Okay, now I'm going with another brush. Again, don't mind my brushes. Okay, thank you, please, bye. And I'm gonna go in with Merry Men. Now on the back, I'm gonna go ahead and carve my eye out. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the smaller brush. And I'm gonna go with that. With the shimmery green. Sabe. Ay, compañera. Now I'm gonna go in and add the highlight. Go in and add from the other palette that came from the Boxycharm. It's this one from Dominic Cosmetics. Okay. Yeah. And I'm gonna use the shade Eternal Light. Robin Hood shade. I feel like I need to start this because it's New Year's. And I'm gonna use Forest. Go ahead and finish the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the edges of it. Okay, so I'm gonna be underlining. I'm not gonna do a wing line, I'm just gonna underline my lash line. So you can't really see the lash band from the lashes, from the fake lashes. And my hanging hair is drying up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and then put them on and I'll be right back. There you go with the lashes. I used the Kiss Jubilee. My last pair too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the e.l.f. Yes, I have not left this alone yet. ahead and use the NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow. And I'm gonna go in with my concealer, the Infallible Full Wear shade Amber, the one that I use as a base for my eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of contouring, cream contouring. I'm using the Boxycharm contour cream kit in the shade Medium. Y ahora otra pasadita con el corrector. And what I just said is I'm gonna go over again with my concealer. Now, since I'm out of my Huda Beauty, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier. Que también se me está acabando. Almost done with this one too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my powder, the golden beige. Set the rest of my face with this. Yeah, now I'm gonna go with my bronzer. And I'm using Turtless glue. Now a little bit of blush. And I'm gonna use one that came in Boxycharm for this month also. And it's the Ciote. Now I'm gonna go in with my highlight. Anastasia. Now I'm gonna dust this powder off. Okay, now for my lips, I used the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Hot Butter Bum. So now I'm gonna go in with the green Mary Man for my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with Forest. Now I'm gonna add my lower lash. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows. And now what I use for my inner corner highlight, whatever it's left on the brush. Go ahead and add some Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. The Weightless. And now I'm gonna add another little layer of highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and straightened my hair and so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try to post another video. I'm gonna try to post this today so I can post another video tomorrow, New Year's Eve. But yeah, and I'm debating if I'm gonna do like a pink look or just like a classic, you know, makeup look with a bold red lip. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I have a lot of ideas, pero no más de que se hagan. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below.